Here we are inside Once Upon a Time in Cupids. I like to call it the Cupids house. And what I love about it is that it's not actually an older home that Walter's redone this time. It's brand new. He's just made it look really old. Walter, tell me about this house.
This was a new build, like you said. It's totally different from the house that we were toured last time. But the whole objective of this home was to show that you can make a new home in Newfoundland still look classic Newfoundland architecture. And Benjamin Moore and the paint shop certainly helped make it look that way because it's absolutely covered in their products.
Tell me about some of our products that happen to be in this house.
Pretty much every kind of paint that you offer is used on the inside and outside. The tile, the flooring, wallpaper, absolutely everything.
It's not traditional, colors that you would see in a kitchen. We've got black, brown, and green. What color is the green?
It's called balsam.
Oh, nice.
It's done in your command glass. Typically in older homes in Newfoundland, you kind of see that glossy look, so I kind of wanted to go that way. The walls, pretty much everywhere, is pale oak in matte. So outside, we still wanted to look pretty old and wanted to see the texture, so we used Arbor Coat stain on the clapboard in the color is called Richmond Bisque in a semi-solid, so we could still see the texture through the wood. All the trim is done with Benjamin Moore Aura exterior. The main trim color is called Peel Green, and the accent color that really pops is called Buttered Yam, which is the orange color that you'll see.
Gorgeous, it's all so pretty. I mean, you're a fairly young guy, Walter. What is it that speaks to you so much about, Newfoundland heritage and keeping it alive in houses like this one and the Brigus Biscuit Box house?
I guess it's like all of us is just our heritage, really. I grew up, living around older homes, and it just reminds me of childhood. And I find you go into new subdivisions now and everything looks the same. Every third house is the same, but I think it's important that we keep this stuff around for the next generation.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much for showing us around. I love it.
Thank you.
Walter Lynch, everybody. Round of applause from me. This house is beautiful.